Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to divide polynomial by binomial. I am taking one more example here from practice set 10.2. This example is here 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. As I told you in the dividend, if all terms are not given, if any term is missing, when we are writing all terms in the descending order of indices, and that time when any term is missing, so we have to take that term taking coefficient as 0. So here it is 4, then 3, square term is not here, so we have to take that square term taking coefficient as 0. So how to write this? 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube, then plus or minus, you can take minus also, no problem, 0x square plus minus 7x plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. Then here see this term, as I told, every time divide by the first term of the dividend by the first term of divisor. I am doing the rough calculation here only. 4x raised to 4 divided by 4x, it is equal to this 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, x raised to 4 divided by x means here x raised to 1, and you will get here x raised to 3, that is x cube. So here answer is x cube. So x cube into 4x, then that is 4x raised to 4, x cube minus 1, that is minus x cube, minus, here minus and here plus. So this will cancel because these are the opposite terms, and minus 5x cube and here plus x cube. This number is negative, this is positive. We have to find the difference, which is 4, and bigger number sign minus. So minus 4x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 1. You have to take all terms down. Now the first term of this divided by first term of divisor. So minus 4x cube divided by 4x. It will come here minus and plus. Minus divided by plus. Here minus. 4 again. 4 ones are 4. So it will cancel. X raised to 3 divided by x, that is x raised to 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus x square. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So here it will come minus x square. And minus x square and 4x, that is minus 4x cube. So x minus x square and minus 1, that is plus, minus into minus plus, and x square into 1, that is x square. So plus x square. Again minus, here plus, minus. And now nothing is here, so don't do anything here. So it will cancel 0. Plus 0x square and minus x square. It is minus x square minus 7x plus 1. Again x square divided by 4x. X square means minus x square divided by 4x. It is equal to, now number is not here, coefficient is not here. So 1 upon 4, that is minus 1 upon 4, negative number. And x square divided by x, that is x only, because 2 minus 1, that is 1. So x raised to 1. So here it will come minus 1 upon 4 into x. So when we multiply this, minus 1 upon 4x into 4x, this 4 will cancel, and you will get minus x into x, that is minus x square. This only. So here I am writing minus x square, product of these terms. Again minus 1 upon 4 x multiply by minus 1. So when we multiply minus into minus, that is plus, and here it will, x term is here, so we have to write in this term only plus 1 upon 4 into 1, that is 1 upon 4 x only, and plus 1 will come as it is. So this is minus, here plus, here minus, here minus. Again, sorry, it will not come here. X, this will cancel, this into 1, it is 1 upon 4x. Now here is nothing, so this will cancel 0. Minus and minus, both numbers are negative, so we have to add and give the common sign, which is minus only. So 7 minus 7 plus 1 upon 4, minus 7, and here minus 1 upon 4. Now their denominator is different, so we have to do the cross multiplication. Then here minus 7 into 4, minus 28, and here minus 1 into 1, minus 1 upon here 4, which is equal to minus 29 upon 4. Minus 29 upon 4. So here answer will come minus 29 upon 4x. And this plus 1 will come now. Divide this minus 29 upon 4 by 4x. So minus minus 29 upon 4 x by 4x. So it will come, it is equal to minus 29 upon 4 into, when we are dividing by any number means multiplying by the reciprocal of that number. So it will come into, x is here, into 4x, and reciprocal of that is 1 upon 4x. So this x will cancel, and you will get minus 29 upon 16. Minus 29 upon 16. So here it will come minus 29 upon 16. When we minus 29 upon 16, when we multiply by 4x, then you will get the same number only as we learn here. So here I am writing directly minus 29 upon 4x. And when we multiply this number 29 upon 16 by minus 1, only minus into minus plus, and 29 upon 16 into 1, that is 29 upon 16 only. So here minus, plus, minus, here 0, and plus 1, minus 29 upon 16. Now plus 1 minus 29 upon 16. Again denominator is different. Here it is 1, here it is 16. So we have to do the cross multiplication. 16 ones are 16, plus 1 into 16, that is 16. And here 1 into minus 29, here minus 29 upon 16. Because 16 ones are 16, it is equal to 9 minus, now this is positive, this is negative number. Bigger number sign is minus only, because 29 is bigger. 9 minus 6, it is 3. 2 minus 1, 13, and here 16. So answer is here minus 13 upon 16, that is the remainder. And this is the quotient, this is the dividend, and this is the divisor. Like this, when the denominator is different, as we learned in the previous classes, when the denominator is different, we have to do the cross multiplication. So here only we did the same thing, cross multiplication, and then we have taken this number. I hope you have understood this example, how to solve, how to divide the polynomial by binomial. Thank you, students.